Hello sir, Assalamu alaikum. I am Kaji Arif. I am giving my final exam presentation for MKT 6603. It's advertising and promotion course. So going to the first question. So it's about marketing communication. Marketing communication includes all the message, media and activities used by an organization to communicate with the market and help product target audience and accept this message and take actions accordingly. Marketing communication is a very crucial task for dynamic marketers with special emphasis of large modern marketing organization, because those who practice advertising, branding, direct marketing, packaging, promotion and particularly public relations, sales, promotions and online marketing are termed marketing communicators. Marketing communication process is sender, encoding and transmission device, decoding receiver, which is a part of any advertising and marketing program. Marketing communication also maintains brands' current customers base and reinforcing their purchase behavior by providing the additional information about the brand's benefit. From the discussion, we can see that the marketing communication has become an integral part of social and economic system. Communicators rely on the information from marketing communication to make wise purchase decision. Business regarding from multinational communicators of small retailers and marketing communications to sell their goods and services. So answer to my next question, media planning process. Media planning process by which marketers determine where, when and how often they run an advertisement in order to maximize the engagement of the customers or the potential customers. Steps or activities that may involve the developing by as a if I am a media planner. So the first step will be market analysis. In this stage we will analyze the market. Analyze the market means that we will fix our target audience. We will fix our target audience here and how and when they use this product and use this media of communication. We have to focus on that part first. Then we will go to the established and media objective. So media objective is a goal of our media plan. To establish the objective, you must determine the goal of reach and frequency or circulation cost and the participation. Reach amount of people message in front of your media in the period of time. The next task will be setting the strategy. Now that the understand who are the marketing and how much it will cost to you, how will you need to make the decision the type of media you are going to use. Some options including the internet, television, radio or newspaper. And the next part will be the implementation part. Now we make a plan and we fix our media. Now what we have to do is put the correct implementation of our media of communication. And the next part will be the evaluation or follow up. In that part we just did the marketing thing and did the research and implementation. After that we will evaluate ourselves that we do the correct investment or not, we do the correct marketing or not. Moving to the next question. So my next question will be our promotional tools I will use to promote a refrigerator in rural areas of Bangladesh. Okay, so first our brand is Walton. So everyone knows brand Walton. Walton is a private limited company in Bangladesh, is sister concern of RB Group. Walton is one of the largest electrical and automobile company in Bangladesh, and Walton already became the very trusted brand name in every household of Bangladesh. So I think it will not be very tough to promote Walton's refrigerator in the rural market of Bangladesh. So what are going to so we tools to do that will be personal selling. Personal sellings in that yeah, I mean that in rural area personal selling is very effective, because in rural area everyone knows everyone, so they trust your word, and they will buy your product if he can trust you, if he or she can trust you. So personal selling is it will be there, and next will be the sales promotion in the rural area. Money matters, so money matters maybe everywhere, but in rural area it is a very focus point. So in sales promotion, it will give a promotional offer to attract our customer. So in the next will be price of premiums. It will be like sales promotion, and next will be exchange offer. It's a very important tools nowadays to promote everything, to promote a brand. Exchange offer means suppose you have a old refrigerator, old fridge, and you are going to you maybe want to buy a new one. So what you will do, you will give us the old one and take the new one, and you will get a cash benefit in the new one. So this will be my tool to promote refrigerator in rural areas of Bangladesh. Moving to the next question. So it's elements of marketing message can be defined the three aspects. The three aspects are objective of brands such as Marlboro, the sign and symbol representing the intended meaning like cowboy, the important and intended meaning like individualistic. Next question will be the appeal option of used by the advertising message. So appeal option that can be used is emotional appeal, social appeal, humor appeal, fair appeal, sexual appeal, or romance appeal. If we can elaborate that, emotional selling, here is an example of emotional selling. You can see here is a and the next will be social appeal, like social work or other thing to motivate people to do social work, this kind of social appeal. Humor appeal means something funny. Fair appeal means so that people will like fair to buy your product. Okay. Next will be sexual appeal. It will sexual appeal, and the next one will be romance appeal. So my next slide will be difference between simples and premium tools, premium promotional tools. Samples promotional meals in teaching members of target market to try a product in offer easy when the trial when the trial comes at a little and no cost of to the customer. It means you are giving them to try it for free. Okay. It's like free sample. It's like free sample. And the premium tools of advertising means another form of sales and promotion involving free merchandise. The premium or giveaway item. Premiums differ from simple samples or free product. It give you the more value. A cell phone manufacturer may offer to access you the free downloadable ringtones or those purchasing a cell phone. And the next question is researchers Wallace's view of creative process. So in the preparation stage, we define the problem, need, desire, and gather any information the solution or response needs to account for, set up the criteria, and verifying the solution's acceptability. In the incubation stage, we step back to problem and let your mind to complete the work. Like preparation or incubation can be last minutes, weekends, or even years. Okay, in the illumination stage, the idea arises from the mind to provide basis of a creative response. In the verification stage, one carries out activities demonstrate where or not what to emerge the emulation and satisfy the need of the criteria defined by the preparation stage. And that's all from my presentation. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for giving me the chance to present.